thought it might be kind of interesting to compare the interior volumes of the Hyperlite Mountain Gear Ultamid 4 and the Durston X-Mid 2-person tent. Just the fly only. So let's start with the X-Mid. It is 88 inches along this dimension. It's 102 this way, and it is 47 inches tall. And you could probably fit 4 pads in here. I think it might be a little tight. So here I am laying down with my head a good, 6 inches from this end, and my feet are maybe 6 inches from that end too. It'd be a little tight, but definitely not as much headroom. You can't stand up in it or anything. Okay, the Ultamid 4 in comparison is 111 inches in each dimension. It's a square and very tall, 75 inches tall. As you can see, looking at that same pad that I had in there, there's a lot more room at the head and foot. So even though there's sloping walls, I guess it's just overall bigger. About a foot maybe from the end. Several inches, at least 6 or 8 from the end that way. It got me wondering what the best way would be to put pads in the X-Mid to have more room at the head and the foot. I put 3 in at a little bit of an angle, and there's plenty of room at the head and the foot. So I think that this tarp could sleep 3 really comfortably this way. This feels a little bit more like how I was just now in the Ultamid. A lot of room here. And plenty of room down there too. So I guess my conclusion with this really quick little test is that 4 sleep comfortably in the Ultamid 4, as it's supposed to, and you can get 3 really comfortably in the X-Mid 2. I hope that that's helpful for anyone just wondering about dimensions, especially considering that the X-Mid is much cheaper than a giant pyramid like that, and you can get not quite the space, but close.